College Univibro, jing tip namta result kepada jongka walk interview jong gini ki post Deputy Chief Legal Aid Defense Counsel, Assistant Legal Aid Defense Counsel, Office Assistant Clerk, Receptionist, Data Entry Operator, but Office Beyond kepada hapo Nongstoin, kena hapo District ku Nongstoin, Office of the District Legal Service Authority, West Khas Hill District Nongstoin. Te kitu gibalik namta kena ka walk interview, te ka result kalami namta gini, te namta ka post of Deputy Chief Legal Aid Defense Counsel, name of candidate kilong, Valerie Kharhari, Eda Basuk G Kharbani, Kanan C Foldora Marwen, namta ka post of Assistant Legal Aid Defense Counsel, Griffith Jones, Bansaralin, Coming Star, D Donbok, Eureka, Larry Dame, namta ka post of Office Assistant Clerk, Shri Lum Kupar Lingdo, O Roni Felix Rembai, namta ka post of Receptionist, Data Entry Operator, Ban Ri Dalin Bersat, ban namta post of Pion, Twinkle El Kinshi, Rido Lensi Lingdo, but Bha Kupar Dekhar. The selected candidate may report to the office of the District Legal Service Authority, West Khas Hill District, Nongstoin, on or before the 9th September. Tekine ki belami kerteng ki haban lej ban report ilade hal and ishwa khnai tarik September rajar sau shipo baje. Her joining will be subjected to medical and police verification report. Tangine ki jing tip, kulejuan.